Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a sequence diagram in Miro. Sequence diagrams are useful for visualizing interactions between users, systems, and processes over time. Let's get started. First, open Miro in your browser and create a new board or open an existing one. Next, click the AI icon on your board to open Miro AI. In the prompt box, describe the sequence diagram you want to create. For example, create a sequence diagram for a hotel booking system where a customer searches for a room, makes a reservation, completes payment, and receives a confirmation. After entering your prompt, click Generate and wait a few moments while Miro AI creates the diagram. Once the diagram appears, review the participants and message flows generated by Miro AI. You can click on any element to edit participant names, messages, or interactions to better match your project requirements. If needed, use additional prompts such as Add Payment Verification, Include Email Confirmation, Add Administrator Approval. Continue refining the diagram until it accurately represents your system workflow. You can also rearrange elements, adjust connectors, and customize colors to improve readability. When you're finished, save your board, export it as a PDF or image, or share it with your team for collaboration. And that's it. That's how to build a sequence diagram in Miro using the latest version of Miro AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Miro tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.